Good morning, guys. It is 6:30 in the morning and today starts the Simple Clean show day. So right now I'm heading out to go meet up with a couple friends in Bangers, which is a car crew that I'm in, and we're gonna go shoot the sunrise. It looks amazing. So just going right down the beach. He has a nice hotel and the hotel has a really good view of the beach, so that's where we're gonna go. It's gonna be awesome. I just got some awesome footage of that sunset. Holy crap, that was beautiful. Oh my god. But now I'm gonna be late, so I have to rush. Dang it. Alright dudes, we made it. Just waiting for him to come out. Let's check out Thomas's car. Ooh. Those are sick. I'm about to take the Ronin out. Maybe get some shots of his car real fast. Alright bros, on the Ronin, but I'm taking a little break from shooting some cars and I want to shoot some scenery on the beach of Daytona. Alright bros, just got done with all the shooting and hanging out. We're all gonna cruise over to the meet now. It's gonna be awesome. We just made it. There's a long line. We're about 50 minutes late, so hopefully we can still get a good spot, but there are a lot of amazing cars here. See, that's where the car show actually is. It's gonna be incredible, guys. It's gonna be amazing. We made it. There's so many cars here. Ooh. So many. We're heading to the camera gang booth now. Trying to check out all the cars before I get out the Ronin and start shooting. This is crazy.
Oh, hey man. What's going on? I'm Matt, by the way. Nick. Nails. Hey, buddy. What are you buying me? What are you buying me? What are you buying me? What do you mean Rich fully drifted? That would be so cool.
You're so weird, dude. You're such a weirdo.
I know.
Guys, look who I found. Alan's here. I'm going to stay with Alan tonight, so he came and said what's up at the meet. What was your first car show experience?
You know, and I initially thought I wasn't really gonna like it that much, just because I'm, you know, stance and all that stuff with the tons of negative cameras in my thing, but there are a lot of cool cars here. Got some track stands. It's actually something that I can enjoy and just appreciate, yeah. You know?
How many cars do you think are here?
Oh my gosh. I would say at least, what, 400? 500?
Over.
Probably.
There's a lot of cars here. A lot.
It's videos.
How's that? Free monster. Hey, how's this? Hey. Try this.
It tastes better because it's free.
Oh my god, yes. It's K Fletch again.
Dude, it's so awesome to meet you again. I kind of just hit the camera.
A little food break. Yeah, I guess if that's cool with you guys.
Yes.
Get a little food break.
Okay.
Ween.
Eat it.
That's a solid ween. Oh, I got ween grease on me. Finally got our food. We're just gonna chill for a little bit. We've been filming all day. It's 4 o'clock. We have about 4 hours to the meet ends, so we're just gonna chill, and then whenever the sun goes down, we're gonna start filming some more. Matt's got his Ronin right here. Ellen's still over there. Good time. Time to use the Ronin. Alright guys, me and Matt just left Simply Clean. We're gonna go shoot at this, I think it's abandoned gas station with K Fletch Photography. It's gonna be awesome. It's Kyle. He's the one who's shooting all of our cars. We have 2 Mustangs with us too, and they're pretty awesome.
Alright, straight. Keep going. Keep going. Go, go. Up. Turn right. Turn right. My boy, right there. Good. 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 Keep going. Go. 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 Stop! Turn left. Left. That's right. Hey, left, right, more right. Wait, stop, stop. Turn the wheel. Set. That way. Good, just like that. Windows up.
Out here shooting with Kyle, K Fletch Photography.
And
what's your Instagram? What's the photography page?
sore thumb.
Sore thumb. Now we're leaving this location. That shoot was amazing. Me and Matt are gonna go to the beach and like finish out the Simply Clean part of the video. This is Riley. Riley drives that awesome Miata. We just met up with him driving on the strip to go drive on the beach, but we can't get on the beach because it's closed, so we just have Matt filming us like right at the beginning. It's pretty awesome. So far, a very successful day. We just got done shooting for the last part of the Simple Clean video for Matt's video. Now we're gonna head back to my place and grab my stuff. I'm staying with Alan tonight in Orlando. It's gonna be amazing. We have a lot of awesome stuff planned for tonight.
Hell yeah.
My NMDs are totally destroyed.
Yeah, I'm heading home now. We're gonna charge up all of our batteries. Have the Simply Clean pre-meet tonight. It's pretty much at the same exact spot, but we're gonna go there and then head to Orlando later on tonight. You guys have seen sunrise to sunset, and they have both been absolutely amazing. I love Daytona. We just packed everything up into my car. I'm just getting the last things out of here, and we're heading to go eat into the after meet. We got so many people out here. And everybody ready? Gonna roll out, go get some dinner, and go to the meet. Just got done eating. The after meet actually got canceled because someone booked the lot or whatever, so we can't go there, so we're just heading straight down to Orlando, do a little bit of night drifting, and check out Alan's place again. It's gonna be a lot of fun. Quick gas stop before we get to Orlando. We're about, what, like 20 minutes? Or not 20 minutes, like 30 minutes? Yeah, 30 minutes away, not too bad.
That's the color.
Yeah, well, I don't care if they're getting a drink. It's gonna be a long night. We need to get a monster.
Another one?
Alright guys, heading back. We have about 30 minutes left, not too bad. So ready to be there, so tired.
I thought we were trying to kill me.
Look over there. Heading to go drift now. We got a whole squad going. This is gonna be awesome.
I'm not trying to get a ticket, boy. I don't want no ticket.
You're the P word. You're being the P word.
A penis?
This is the drift spot. This is gonna be so awesome. We have Alan's FRS, Zach's BRZ, and then we have this awesome Mustang. Alright guys, it is now completely the next day. Alan actually took Matt to the airport for me at 5 o'clock in the morning. We got back here at like 3:30, 4.
Yes.
So they didn't sleep. They didn't sleep at all. It's now 7. I got 3 hours of sleep because I have an 8.5-hour drive. So I'm gonna end the video here. Alan, thank you so much for everything, as always.
Man. No problem.
Been a crazy day. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out. Bros, we found some more subscribers. To give them a shout out. This is TJ and this is David.
What's up, dude? At Dan_.
Boom.
At TJ_Sidgemore.
Boom. Thank you guys.
Fucking lit.
Daryl's a subscriber and this is his car. It's awesome. Dang.
Instagram DFaro.
Another subscriber. This is Seibon.
Hi.
Want a shout out?
Coolkid_E.
Boom. There we go. Hey, thanks, man. I appreciate you watching.